how to get a Phantom wallet, quick and easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to get your own Phantom wallet to buy, send and receive tokens on Solana blockchain. So let's get started. First, what I want you guys to do is simply go to phantom.app and you will land right here on this website. Here we have our Phantom wallet. You can see you can store, buy, send, receive, swap tokens and collect NFTs on a Solana blockchain using the Phantom wallet. It is also available as an app, available on iOS, Android, Chrome, and more. To download, click on this download button given. Now we have Phantom for mobile and then we have Phantom for desktop. So I will be adding Phantom for on my desktop, and you can see we have all of the browsers available: Chrome, Brave, Firefox, and Edge. I'm gonna go with Chrome. So it will open up the chrome.google.com/extensions for me. And here we have our Phantom extension. Click on Add to Chrome, Add extension, and you will get your own Phantom extension. Now we can create our own wallet. Click on Create a new wallet and you just have to create a password. I'm gonna go ahead and just write a password and confirm. Then you have to select I agree to terms of services. Click on Continue. Finish, and here you have your extension. Click on it and it will open up your own Phantom wallet. Now you can buy, send and receive tokens on Solana and also collect NFTs. This is our own Solana blockchain wallet that we just got right here, and you can go ahead and get your Phantom wallet right now. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to Software Made Easy.